guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the questions in the primary maths challenge. It's a challenge, you can practice, it's fun. And we are going to do the first round or the November thing 2014. Questions 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get started. So, I will tell you the techniques, okay? So in this question, the thing is, you just added them, and the one thing is, don't make silly mistakes. So you can do it in your mind. It's actually C, because 1, 1, 1. You can also take time by doing this, but I would suggest to not make silly mistakes. You just get a bit extra. But what if you don't want to make silly mistake? I would suggest to do this because some people make silly mistakes. Everybody makes like mistakes, but to avoid this, I would say you can also write like this. If you can do it in your mind, just do it. Don't try to do it in your mind always. That's one thing. Now next one, I buy 3 sweets at 20p. The best thing to do is start underlining the keywords. 3 sweets, 20p each. Each is also important. Not 20, just 20p. And 20 sweets at 3p each. If you were to say that if it wasn't each, what would your total score be? Total cost actually be? Yeah, 23. But that's not the answer. 23 actually pence. So what do I do here is that I times them, because you know each and 1 sweet is 20p. We know that because of its each. I times them, so 60. And do you know that x times y is equal to y times x? So even though now the sweets and the p is reversed, this is 20 and this is 3. Still, when you multiply, it gets 60p. Think about that too. And when they're telling the total cost, not 60p, just it's E, because I pressed them 120 pence, which is also equal to £1.20. Let's move on to our last question for this video. If you cut off 3 of the corners of a pentagon as shown in the diagram, you will get 3 triangles and 1 other shape. Which of the following shape will this be? It's nice and easy, but the technique I would prefer is that just draw like this. Just draw like this and it will be easier. And not like just drawing like that, you have to count. So let's start from here. 1. So I know where I start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 is a octagon. Okay, remember that. So hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. And thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.